Welcome back to our data scraping course. In this video, we'll briefly discuss the Python request, BeautifulSoup, and Selenium packages used for web scraping, and also how to set up your Python environment for web scraping. We will look into these packages in details once we dive into data scraping practical examples. We'll also explore the building blocks of every web page, HTML, and the document object model, or also called DOM. Request is a Python library for making HTTP requests. It abstracts the complexities of making requests behind a simple API, allowing you to send HTTP requests. It performs the same operation as you write the URL of a website in a web browser and press Enter key. In response, a web page opens in the web browser. By using request library, we also get HTML page content, but in the form of a response object. We can access the web page content from the response object using Python code. BeautifulSoup is a Python library that is used for web scraping purposes to pull the data out of HTML and XML files. It creates a parse tree that can be used to extract data from HTML, which is useful for web scraping. Selenium is a powerful tool for controlling a web browser through the program. It's functional for all browsers, works on all major operating systems, and its scripts are written in various languages such as Python, Java, C#, etc. Setting up Python environment for web scraping is straightforward. First, you need to install Python. You can download it from the official Python website. I am on the official Python website, python.org. Click on download. Click on download Python 3.11.4. At this moment, 3.114 is the latest Python version available. Click on the button to download Python. Once Python is installed, you can install the necessary packages using pip, Python Package Manager. Pip is installed alongside the Python installation. You don't need to install it as a separate tool. Let's go to installing Python packages using the pip. Open your command prompt by pressing the window key and typing command prompt. Once the command prompt is opened, you can first confirm the Python installation by typing Python. It should show up the Python version and also a terminal to start writing your Python code. So you can see I have installed 3.9.11 version of the Python. Type exit to quit Python. You can install Python packages using the pip tool. So start by typing pip install and then the package name. In my case, the request package has already been installed. You can repeat the same pip commands to install the other two packages. You can also type multiple packages name in the same pip command to install them. Since I have already installed these packages in my Python environment, so I will not repeat the installation. HTML or hypertext markup language is the standard language for creating web pages. It uses tags to denote different parts of a web page, such as headers, paragraphs, and links. Understanding HTML structure is crucial for effective web scraping, as it allows us to pinpoint the data we want to extract. Now let's talk about the Document Object Model or DOM. When a web page is loaded, the browser creates a DOM of the page. It's a programming interface for web documents and represents the structure of a web page, which can be manipulated with a scripting language like JavaScript. When we are scraping websites, we are essentially navigating through the DOM to find the data we need. That's it for this video. Understanding Python packages for web scraping, HTML, and the DOM is the first step toward becoming a skilled web scraper. In the next video, we'll start writing our first basic script to scrape a web page using BeautifulSoup.